I think that you know that YouTube had war with Adblocker. And well, one famous Adblocker that survived almost all these blocks from YouTube video players to watch your favorite videos and like that. And like me, it happens when I just visit in 4 p.m. video with Phoenix SC frying table, and well, you guess what? uBlock origin stop working. And I realized that about a few minutes later, I just watched another videos. Well, it was worked fine, but on 4 p.m. it just messed up and I can't watch my videos. Well, I think that YouTube already fixed uOrigin block forever, and basically it is impossible now to get blocking ads in YouTube. Until YouTube just forget to realize something. And also, if you watch my previous video where I show that YouTube is also making a 5 seconds delay in Firefox users and Firefox users, so basically Mozilla users, and USERAGENT switcher basically edits the browser ID or USERAGENT, it is basically the same, to it will mean that like Firefox when you have it is like a Google Chrome. So, and now I just realized that YouTube maybe fix also this one, because look at that. Also when I have Chrome as an USERAGENT, well, what is here going on? This is the delay of 5 seconds, and you guess what? It just messed up, and YouTube just realized, or Google just realized, that you have no privacy or to block ads and like that. So, and now when I just a little bit experiment with this, so uBlock Origin can still block the window of you have block ads, but when you refresh the site of 3 times, well, completely YouTube video player will block out and you can't watch any video. So I try if this also work with the block to this message, and it didn't work. So then I use no script to continue. Maybe it is some URL like it is a googlevideo.com what I am here now watching this. I will more explain in another video how exactly YouTube URLs work and like that. So, and basically a fun fact about these two fixes what YouTube already fixed. Well, Google, I think he meant that we will be angry for that, and then Google just upload a video with Mark Grubber.
We're about to test the accuracy of this plane I built with Bard, and then we're going to send it through that ring of fire.
And then I just got a notification in my phone that Google is working on time travel project. Okay, so he just won't copy the Wayback Machine from archive.org. On until the one bug what YouTube just forget to patch. I think that YouTube will in this video already fix this and even block the ads also by my method what I use, but for that I will show it up. So if mental health also show that how the block system already work and like that, so I gave also to mental health a comment that he can make a video about and also more complicated, also more detailed. This is fast video. I just got to my record program and just started recording how it is possible and like that. So then I little experiment and Google forgets to patch Opera,
Oh my god, daily crossword. Yay!
Edge and Safari. I don't know how it works, but in these three user agents, you can still watch videos like normally and uOrigin work just fine. But when you choose Chrome or Mozilla, well, guess what? You can't watch it. So, and I just forget that you can also switch it to like mobile device and it will still work as the same and no ads will pop up. So when you want, you can also change the mobile version of YouTube. You will get just fine. And now I just also test some little bit change. So I open my Chrome and guess what? There the ad blocker just work. And look at that, that even isn't uBlock Origin, and here it worked just fine. I don't know why it had happened, but guess what? It is just working fine, and well, yeah, so that was too fast, do I say so. If you just want to prevent the ads from now, then just switch the user agent to Opera or to Edge or to Safari. Or Safari will give a delay, but these two browsers, Edge and Opera, will not. So watch these two in these browsers to prevent ads, and well, you have fine day. So thank you for watching and bye. Oh, and then just I realized that I know now why YouTube just delete the tab where you have about section and you have it like replaced from to this arrow with some little text and will continue to now. And if you click on it, well, a little window will pop up and there will the information show. And when I just do remember I block the window from this, well, good job YouTube, really, because the same window what is using for the ad block, well, it is also used to the about me section. So now when I have uBlock Origin on, I can't go to someone to channel info and review the info. That's a YouTube very tricky thing, so here you have it. So that was all what I here to show you that, and okay, bye.